Hey guys, we got a pretty fun one here. We have the rare treat of the boss lady with the architectural skills and the looks. All right, so we're gonna take a look at some super awesome safety features. You wanna take it? We wanna do the footers first, the supports.
Yeah.
Um, this is some sort of bomb shelter door. We're not sure yet. We're trying to figure it out. But I like the support that's holding this roof up. You got that? Puts it down a little bit more. There you go. There you go. Yeah, let's just kind of hang in there. Let's duck under this like 220 volt wire here. We really like these footers over here. These guys are nice. There you go. Yeah, that's code, I think. That one over there is not too bad either. We'll go around. Well, actually, we'll show this building too on our way back. This was a workshop. It's like a garage. It had a lift or something inside of it. I don't think you've even seen this one yet, huh? There's a nice footer over here. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see it. This is actually just the porch. Can't tell if there's concrete. See this? Can you see that guy? Let's see. Bring the camera over here. Let me see. I can see it on there. Yeah, right there. That's nice. Kick one of those out, whole house might come down. Oh, that's nice and open window to the garage there. I don't know. I think they might be asking a little bit much for this one. What do you think, Boomer?